The medical term for blood in urine is hematuria. Several different conditions and diseases can cause hematuria. These include infections, kidney disease, cancer, and rare blood disorder. The blood may be visible or in small quantities it can't be seen with the naked eye. Any blood in the urine can be a sign of a serious health problem even if it happens once. Ignoring hematuria can lead to worsening of the serious conditions like cancer and kidney disease. So you should talk to your doctor as soon as possible. Types of hematuria. There are two main types of hematuria: gross hematuria and microscopic hematuria. Gross hematuria. If there is enough blood in your urine that your urine appears pink or red, or there are visible spots of blood, you have gross hematuria. Microscopic hematuria. When you can't see the amount of blood, and because the amount is so small, only a lab test can detect the blood, or looking the sample of urine under a microscope can confirm microscopic hematuria. Causes of hematuria. There are several different causes for hematuria. The blood can appear to be in urine when it really comes from vagina in women, the ejaculate in men, or from bowel movements in either men or women. The main reasons are: 1. Infection. Infection is one of the most common causes of hematuria. The infection could be somewhere in the urinary tract, the bladder, or the kidneys. Infection occurs when the bacteria move up to the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body from the bladder. The infection can move up to the bladder or even to the kidneys. It often causes pain and a need to urinate frequently. This may be gross or microscopic hematuria. Second, stones. Presence of stones in the bladder or kidney. These are crystals that form from the minerals in your urine. They may develop inside the kidneys or bladder. Large stones cause a blockage that often results in hematuria and significant pain. Third, enlarged prostate. In men who are middle aged and older, a fairly common cause of hematuria is an enlarged prostate. When the prostate gets bigger, it compresses the urethra. This causes problems in urinating and may prevent the bladder from emptying completely. This can result in urinary tract infections with blood in urine. Fourth, kidney disease. A diseased or inflamed kidney can cause hematuria. This disease can occur on its own or as a part of another disease, such as diabetes. In children ages from 6 to 10 years old, the kidney disorder post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis can cause hematuria. Fifth, cancer. Cancer of the bladder, kidney, or prostate can cause blood in urine. This is a symptom that occurs in advanced cases of cancer. There may not be earlier signs of this problem. 6. Medication. Certain medication can cause hematuria. These include penicillin, aspirin, blood thinners like heparin and warfarin, cyclophosphamide, which is a drug used to treat certain types of cancer. 7. Less common causes. There are few other causes of hematuria that aren't very common. Rare blood disorders such as sickle cell anemia, hemophilia can cause blood in urine. Strenuous exercise and blow to the kidneys can cause blood to show up in the urine. When one should seek medical attention. See your healthcare provider if you don't see blood in your urine but experience frequent, difficult, or painful urination, abdominal pain, or kidney pain. These may be indications of microscopic hematuria. Seek emergency if you can't urinate, see blood clots when you urinate, or have blood in urine along with one of the following: nausea, vomiting, fever, chills, pain in your side, back, or abdomen. How can one prevent hematuria? Preventing hematuria means preventing the underlying causes. To prevent infections, drink plenty of water daily and practice good hygiene. To prevent stones, drink plenty of water and avoid excess salt and certain foods like spinach and rhubarb. To prevent bladder cancer, refrain from smoking, limit your exposure to chemicals, and drink plenty of water. What to do at home? Do not try to attempt to cure on your own. Try to avoid medications which discolors the urine for a day to check if it is hematuria or just high colored urine. Seek medical help if it is hematuria. Drink a lot of fluids. Thank you.